Welcome to AngularJS tutorials. Directives NGSRC. NGSRC. It's Angular's built-in directive. When we are working with image tags, IMG HTML tags to display images, we will use SRC attribute to bind the images to image HTML elements like this. If I want to display some image here, I will do like this. Less than IMG. This is image tag in HTML. Okay. Here I will use the image path. And I remove this, I don't need that. This is my img tag, and src will actually bind the image URL. Src tag will bind the image URL. As we all know, my project is having employee image. I'm binding that image through src attribute. This is how we will display HTML image tag. See that we are able to display employee image. Now if you want to do this, if we want to bind that data, which data? This data. Sometimes if you are working with AngularJS, you might need to bind that dynamically. So if you want to bind that image URL dynamically through AngularJS, we will write as follows, like this: img src interpolation statements, then variable. Okay, like that we need to bind the URL. First one is how we can bind image URL to img tag using plain HTML, and the second one is binding URL using interpolation, Angular interpolation statements. If we want to bind data using AngularJS, employee URL, we need to have this variable here, $scope dot employee URL equal to, this is my value. So I have created a variable inside my scope, then assigned the image path, then I'm using that variable here. So dynamically this variable is replaced with the value, the actual image URL. Let's look at this. See, it's working actually, but here the problem is, here data binding is happening through AngularJS, but src is a plain HTML attribute. But sometimes in a large scale applications, if your page is having too much Angular code, $digest, Angular's digest will take some time to parse all these interpolation statements on your page. So on that conditions, this src statement may fail to load image. So to overcome those failures, it's better to use ng-src attribute. If you are binding data through AngularJS, it's better to go for ng-src. In our case, dynamic AngularJS data is working for src also, because it's a one single page application having only one div element. It's very fast, so that it is able to get the URL. But in real-time applications, it's hard to get the URL before image tag is rendering. So it's better to use ng-src. Using ng-src directive, we will bind dynamic URLs using AngularJS without any failures. src will not give you the confirmation about displaying the image, but ng-src will make you will promise you to bind the data, bind the image URL. The second way is using src attribute, HTML src attribute. And if you want to bind image URL to an HTML element through AngularJS, we need to do that using ng-src attribute. It's a safest way. Thank you for watching.